But remember, he's teaching in the synagogue. Now, it's already a problem because a woman is in the synagogue like this. They really didn't want her to come into church. Everybody's looking at her because in this time, if you had an affliction, they would believe that God had cursed you. They believe you haven't been living right. That's why you don't have a job. That's why you don't have any money, because you ain't living right. And she was bent over. Now, she's been bent over for 18 years. Now, that tells me she's been coming to church but not getting a change. But this day, she comes in, she's bent over. And the Bible says it's a spirit of infirmity. So this is not muscular dystrophy. This is not multiple sclerosis. This is not scoliosis of the spine. This is a spirit. That's what the text says. A spirit of infirmity has bowed her over. So she really wants to stand up, but the spirit got her bent over. Now that infirmity, that infirmity is actually in Greek, it's a disabling spirit. So there's a demon that wants to disable you from being what you're supposed to be and doing what you're supposed to do. Don't mind you coming to church, just stay disabled. What is disabled? Incapacitated, unable to function. And you praying and crying, you change jobs, you done changed churches, you done left town, moved to another place, and you're still bent over. And she's been bent over for 18 years. It's a disabling spirit. Now, I know it's hard for you to process this, but a whole lot of what's going on is not simply psychological. It's not physical. Some things that are happening are straight up spiritual, because there are demons and devils that know you won't leave God, but if they can keep you bent over and disabled, then you won't work for God. I don't care what's got you bent over. I don't care what's got you crying. I don't care what's got you immobile. Make up in your mind, I'm getting up from this. I'm getting up from this. Tell somebody, did you hear me? On the other side, tell them, I'm getting up from this. I'm getting up from mediocrity. I'm getting up from lethargy. I'm getting up from that'll do. I'm getting up from just enough. I'm getting up from getting by. I'm getting up from average. I'm getting up from this. And sometimes the only people that don't want you to get up are the people who don't get up.